Hi there, welcome to my channel English Digital. Today we're going to look at as to how we can work with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. As you know, the LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a separate product of LinkedIn and you can use it to generate leads. So in order to sign up, just go and next to your icon you will see this work button, this work tab here. Click on that and you should click the Find Leads tab. So once you click on the Find Leads tab, it will take you to this screen here. So you get the Sales Navigator Core and Sales Navigator Advanced. Okay, if you want to explore all plans, you can click that as well. So it gives you a full range of plans. Okay, so let us look at the pricing now. So the core plan costs you around $80 a month. Then the advanced plan and the advanced plus plan will have different pricing. Advanced plus is a customized pricing. The advanced plan has its own pricing. Should be here. I think it's around $10 to $20. It's much more than the core plan. The only difference is the features you get. So with the advanced plans, you can integrate your CRM platforms and other tools with your LinkedIn Sales Navigator, whereas with the basic core plan, it's good enough to actually generate leads and scale up your business. Okay, so and remember, the Sales Navigator is a premium plan. It's not free, but you get 1 month free trial from LinkedIn to try the plan. So you can start your free trial, and after the free trial, after the first month, the second month you need to pay. Okay, so here I have signed up for the LinkedIn Sales Navigator plan. So I have the LinkedIn Sales Navigator icon here since I purchased it. So it's there. So in this case, let us see on how to understand and use the platform. So once I click Sales Navigator, I'm taken to the Sales Navigator dashboard, which is different from your normal LinkedIn account dashboard. It operates separately. So here I'm trying to promote some IT courses. So been working on this platform for a few months. So LinkedIn automatically gives me suggestions of the targeted leads. But in this case, we're going to see as to how we are going to filter leads and message them. So with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you get 50 free emails a month. That is, you can directly email your targeted leads 50 a month, and that renews every month after 30 days from the day of purchase of the plan. And apart from that, with the premium plan, since you're part of the premium plan, you get to see whose video profile. So I will look at that after at the end of the video. So first let us see how to work with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Okay, so once you're on the home page, you need to click on this lead filters option here. You click that, and once you click that, you come to this dashboard here. Here there are so many filtering options where you can filter leads the way you want to, and LinkedIn, if that filter option is available in their database, which are millions of users, it'll pull up those users on this screen here. So here, since I'm promoting some IT courses, I'm going to go to job title and choose, let's say IT, let's say manager. Okay, just for the sake. So we get this assistant IT manager. I can include that. You can include more than one category, even 10 categories, it doesn't matter. So let us say student, IT student, since I'm targeting to promote courses. Okay, so information technology student. So once I choose this here on the right hand side, you can see LinkedIn has pulled up a lot of leads. Now these leads are from various geographical locations: Pakistan, India, UAE. And here, if you're in a particular country, you can just target your country. So we go to geography. In my case, for example, let's say I'm targeting Canada. So I choose Canada here. I can choose city-wise. Okay, let us choose Toronto. So once I do that, all my leads are filtered. The assistant IT manager and the students are filtered only from Toronto. If you see here, Greater Toronto, assistant vice president IT services, assistant senior manager IT, okay, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. You get this guy from Canada, then IT security risk manager. So you can choose the ideal person, and you can message them directly. You have 50 mails a month, so use it wisely. So here, let us see Okay, assistant IT manager, Shangri-La Group. Okay, so since I'm promoting a high level qualification, I'm looking for a person with a designation who might need that qualification. Okay, that guy, I think I contacted him already, so we have to choose. Okay, we'll choose the student. That's good. Okay, York University, this guy's IT student, this lady, she's IT student, so we can save the lead first. So once you save the lead, automatically the lead is saved into your lead list. I'll show that to you in a moment. Where it's saved, you click on the lead here and you can directly message this student lead here. Okay, you can just directly message. This is an InMail message. This is how the InMail message format looks like. So let us now message this person. So this person, if you're not in the premium Sales Navigator platform, you will not be able to send messages like this. So you can see option here, 1 out of 17 credits. So out of the 50 credits, I used about 33 credits, so I have 17 remaining. So that's the reason it shows this. When I send this mail, I will get 16 remaining. Okay, let us send this quickly. Send the mail to this potential lead now. Okay, I have already copied the message. So for tutorial purpose, let us cut this subject area, put it there. So we're good to go now. Okay, good to go. So we send this message. So once we send this message, you can see the message has gone to this lead and is awaiting reply from this LinkedIn member. Okay, so directly they receive this message into their message box. That is, okay, let me show you that there. Okay, let me close this. Let me go to the normal LinkedIn account. Here you can see messages. So if this is my LinkedIn message, but if you send a message there, that person will receive the message under this, in this message tab, right? You have itself received a lot of promotion messages from a lot of people, which actually from the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, if you receive such a message. So once you send all these messages, so you can see LinkedIn again is giving you suggested leads, so you can save these and message them as well. So it's a lot of leads. So it's how you filter them, how you target them, and how you convert them. It's all up to you. That depends on the product you're using. Okay, can be anything. So under this message tab, you click this message tab on top in the menu, you can see the list of all the messages. Okay, there's some error which is there. Let's try again. Okay, that's come up. Okay, so you can see all the messages that are sent. Okay, this person has replied. Okay, so shows interest. So I sent this message today actually, but she has replied. Okay, so you can reply to this person saying that sure, thanks for your feedback. Okay, so that's the way you contact the people through the to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You just directly communicate when you get a positive lead. So this person has replied, want more information, sure, I thank this person. So I will send more details after this call. Okay, so this is how you use the Sales Navigator, and need to build up on your contact lead list. So if you go to this account lead list here, lead list, so all the saved leads, like I showed you, I saved there, get saved here. I saved about 243. Then system generated leads, also LinkedIn also gives you recommended leads, which is very useful once you get this platform. If you click this and see, so since I'm searching for, let's say, IT related leads, so LinkedIn has given me all these recommended IT related people to promote the course which I'm promoting for my clients. So this how is very useful. So it's not just you sending 50 emails, you get the LinkedIn fair share of support as well. So it's real value for money, especially if you're generating leads for your business. So kindly do try the LinkedIn Sales Navigator out, and if you have any doubts, kindly do leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply. And kindly do support my channel. If you like the video, subscribe to it and give it a like, share it with your friends who are new to LinkedIn, who would find this useful. So I'll be making more interesting videos, educational videos like this every week, and I'll try to upload a video weekly or even daily. That's my target. So I'm looking forward to your support in terms of subscribers and likes. So until my next video, it's bye bye from me. from English Digital. Thank you.